Accomplish. He accomplished his mission. He accomplished his mission. Additional. How much was the additional charge? How much was the additional charge? Afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Aim. What's your aim in life? What's your aim in life? Amount. What is the total amount? What is the total amount? It's a large amount. It's a large amount. Anyone. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. Anyone can do that. Anyone can do that. Are you tired? Are you tired? Lemons are sour. Lemons are sour. Aside. I took him aside. I took him aside. Attitude. I like your attitude. I like your attitude. Bake. Let's bake a birthday cake. Let's bake a birthday cake. Battery. Do you sell batteries? Do you sell batteries? Begin. May I begin? May I begin? He began to cry. He began to cry. Bill. I will pay the bill. I will pay the bill. Bought. I bought a red tie. I bought a red tie. Brilliant. Both of them are very brilliant. Both of them are very brilliant. But. He tried hard but failed. He tried hard but failed. Certain. Why are you so certain? Why are you so certain? Cheese. I don't like cheese. I don't like cheese. Cigarette. Where are my cigarettes? Where are my cigarettes? Cold. The food is cold. The food is cold. Common. It's a common mistake. It's a common mistake. Concentration. I immediately lost my concentration. I immediately lost my concentration. Conservative. I think Tom is conservative. I think Tom is conservative. Context. It depends on the context. It depends on the context. Corn. This corn is fresh. This corn is fresh. Course. I have finished the course. Criteria. We have specific criteria. We have specific criteria. Cycle. We are looking for a cycle hire shop. We are looking for a cycle hire shop. Decide. How did you decide? How did you decide? Demand. I have one more demand. I have one more demand. Desire. I have no desire to try. I have no desire to try. Differ. My opinion differs from yours. My opinion differs from yours. Dish. This dish is tasty. This dish is tasty. My job is to wash dishes. My job is to wash dishes. Document. Who gave you this document? Who gave you this document? Dramatic. Don't be so dramatic. Don't be so dramatic. Each. We know each other. We know each other. Each one is different. Each one is different. Effect. The medicine had no effect. The medicine had no effect. Else. Anything else? Anything else? I will do something else. I will do something else. Engage. I am engaged in a new business. I am engaged in a new business. Everybody. Everybody loves him. Everybody loves him. Exercise. Walking is the best exercise. Walking is the best exercise. Expression. I want to see your expression. I want to see your expression. Fairly. He speaks English fairly well. He speaks English fairly well. Fee. What's the daily fee? What's the daily fee? YOLO. I will take the YOLO one. I will take the YOLO one. He lives in the YOLO house. He lives in the YOLO house. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.